Hey guys, Jim here with another e-bike product review for you. Taking a look today at the new products bike phone mount. I got this on Amazon in case you couldn't tell. I want to say it was like 10 bucks, maybe 10, 15 bucks. But if you've been watching my channel, you probably have noticed that I do a lot of e-bike recordings where I'm actually pedaling and I want to have try to have at least good picture quality on everything, right? So I had a mount that came with my bike. The problem was it was cheap. I kept opening and closing it as I take my phone in and out to take pictures, and eventually it just kind of fell apart. So it's time for something new. So I figured can't go wrong with this. I think this is probably an intermediate solution for me. You know, I'd like to get probably more into something like a more action cam, like a GoPro or DJI or something. But for now, you know, 10, 15 bucks. I think this will get me by for a while. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside, and I'll tell you why I was interested in it specifically. So here's the actual mount itself. It has what they call this quick lock mechanism on the side. So basically you could snap it open and closed. And what it's supposed to do is it's basically you adjust it by turning this knob. You get it in a place that you like, and then you can snap it in place, and you see how quickly it snaps. That's a quick release. And just to show you the gap here, it's not very big. It's just enough though. So if you had your phone in here nice and tight, you lock it down, you snap it, it's done. You unsnap it, just that little bit. That's all you need. A little bit of real estate, your phone will slide right out. That was one of the reasons I liked it. I take a lot of pictures, primarily of ducks. I don't know, I've really become obsessed with ducks lately. But I take a lot of pictures when I'm out riding, and I want to very quickly be able to pull my phone out, take a photo, and then drop it back in and continue my recording. And I thought the quick disconnect on that was nice. The other reason that I picked up this specific mount was the ball joint on the back. So basically it snaps in through here, and then there's a lock and unlock release. And then this bar here through this clamp, you just adjust it and it opens and closes. You clamp it onto whatever you want and you're fine. I like this concept for a couple different reasons. Number one, let me loosen this up so I can slide it in here and we can take a look at it together. Number one, my handlebar extender is not perfectly square. So I need a little bit of, I'm gonna call it English for lack of a better word. I need a little bit of tilt to line up my bike so that when I'm pedaling, everything looks nice and square, not everything's crooked. Number two, you could do this. So you could do landscape very, very simply. And because of the way that this thing clips on, you can clip it on basically horizontally, or you can clip it on vertically, and then you could adjust the mount to your liking. So I thought it was a pretty neat thing. I'm gonna go throw it on my little scooter over there, and we'll take a look at what it looks like in action. All right, using my work phone here as a guinea pig test subject, I went ahead and I put the clamp on here, super easy. I got the swivel here, and I did the quick disconnect already. So all I gotta do is snap this. Try to do this with one hand. You heard it pop, right? And that's that little bit of gap. Phone slides right out super easy. When I want to put it back in, I just push it down. I snap it again. Hard to do with one hand. You heard it snap, and now it's locked in place. Actually works out super, super well. Really happy with that layout. I like how easy it is to use. And then obviously on the back side, looping around over here, you can see, besides my messy garage, the camera is fully exposed. So, easy to record this way, easy to record this way. Camera is not in the way of anything, so the candle's not in the way of anything. And then, if you want to get cute and adjust it, you could tilt this down more so the camera comes up higher. It's up to you, but man, for 9, 10 bucks, this thing's a steal. I'll post a link to it in the description box below. If you're interested in a better cell phone mount, you may want to consider getting something like this. Looks like I have mine a little crooked, but I could adjust that. There we go. Highly recommend it, I think. Stay tuned for more videos later on. You'll probably catch me doing some recordings with this, and let me know your thoughts below. Take care of yourselves, and until next time, I will see you guys on the other side.